Hello everyone, welcome to today's lesson. A huge welcome to you too, dear Hopper and Frank. Are you ready to start? Great. So, today's letter sound is a bouncy sound, so I would like you to try and say it as shortly as you can. Today's sound is Y. Y, Y, Y. Y, Y, Y. Y. Let's take a look at a few pictures. Please repeat after me.
Yogurt. Yarn. Yo-yo. Yolk. Yellow.
Hey, I'm wearing yellow today. Now watch me draw a yak. Y, 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 yak. Y, 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 yak. Now watch me write. Y, 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 y. Y, 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 y. Y, 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 yak. Y, 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 y. Yak. Yeah. Hey. And they look the same, don't they? I have a picture for you. Yeah, 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 yak. Hey. Yeah, 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 yak. Yeah, 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 yak. The same. There's something hiding behind it. Yeah, 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 yeah. The same. Hmm. Yeah, 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 yak. Yak, yeah, yak, yeah. Hey, we can play the game. A quick reminder. When you see the picture, you say yak. When you see the sound, you say yeah. Off we go. Great job! I would like you to say the sounds very quickly as soon as they appear on screen. Off we go. May I remind you that for this part of the lesson you need something to write on because we're soon going to practice the writing of our letter. Let's start by writing it in air, saying the phrase. Down a horn, up a horn, and under his head. Down a horn, up a horn, and under his head. Now let me try and write it. Down a horn, up a horn, and under his head. Now I think you're ready to do it yourself. Grab your pencil. We're going to do it together, saying the phrase. Ready? Down a horn, up a horn, and under his head. Great job! Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Now let me try and write it. Yeah, 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 yeah. Now it's your turn. Ready? Saying the sound this time. Yeah, 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 yeah. Wow, super writing! It's time for some speed writing. I am going to ask you to write down a few sounds that you already know. And I'm sure you're going to write them really nicely and speedily. So, are you ready with a pencil in hand? The first sound I'm going to ask you to write is F. Next, O. And finally, H. Super duper. Frank and Hopper, are you ready for word time? And what about you? Let me just remind you that for word time, at first I will say the sounds and words, and you repeat after me. Then I will only say the sounds, and you say the words. That's right. So, if I say yak, yak, yum, yes, yes, yam, yet, yet, y-a-k. Yak. Y-a-m. Yum, that's right. Y-e-s. Yes. Y-a-m. Yam. Y-e-t. Great job! Wow, children, you were fantastic today. Frank, Hopper, and I, we're so proud of you. Well done, keep it up. But unfortunately now, our time is up. I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.